You are going to be so happy with this. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. It actually works and it is super crazy, guys. So
hey guys, what's going on? So today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a new and updated method to get this crazy fully working Pokemon Go free coins. So as you can see, we're low. Press this button and we can add free coins. So I turned it all the way up. So let's see if the coins go up. So they should. So let's see what happens. All right. So let's see if they go up, and then we're gonna be rich. And let's see if we get the coins, and bang guys, look at that. So I'm gonna show you guys how to get free coins. So the first thing you want to do is go to your browser and just type in tweakmod.com. So type in Pokemon and then just press on it. And then before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So you just have to download like 2 of these apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So it's pretty simple, but I'm just going to wait for it to load up and then we're going to be good to go. Alright, so now we're going on to the last step, guys, which is the verification. So you just have to download 2 of these apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free, and then we'll get the free coins. So let's just wait and see if it works. So as you can see, it says missing files. So you just want to download like 2 of these apps. You can see like Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds. We got Travel Town telling us to reach level 9. So make sure you do 2 of them, guys. Gonna be good to go, but I'm gonna see you guys later. So yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super cool and totally works. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe, get the word out. This is a fully updated method.